Tailscale versus Wireguard speed test. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a speed test comparison between Tailscale and Wireguard to help you understand their performance differences. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is Wireguard is a raw VPN protocol that offers direct peer-to-peer connections for high-speed networking. Over here, it provides the fastest performance with low latency and minimal overhead. After that, let's talk about Tailscale. Over here, Tailscale is built on top of WireGuard but adds net traversal, automatic peer discovery, and a control plane. Then, due to these extra features, Tailscale can be slightly slower, especially when using relay servers duck mode. Now, let's look at the speed comparison. WireGuard offers up to 900 plus Mbps on LAN and 600 plus Mbps over WAN. Tailscale achieves 400 to 800 megabits per second on LAN and 300 to 600 megabits per second over WAN, depending on connection type. WireGuard has lower CPU usage, while Tailscale consumes slightly more due to encryption and coordination. Now, when choosing between them, pick WireGuard if you want the fastest speeds and are comfortable with manual setup and port forwarding. Pick Tailscale if you want easy setup, automatic net traversal, and cross-platform support, even if it means some performance trade-offs. So that's the speed comparison between Tailscale and WireGuard. That's all for this video.